Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode where I will be showing a new module that I have designed. This time I will be showing you iVCA, which is my new stereo VCA module. So let's have a look at the module. It is right here in the rack. As you can see, it is 4 HP. It is very compact. And the main focus of this VCA is that it allows you to very easily manipulate the incoming control signal. You can see the area with the brackets. This area is dedicated specifically for controlling the incoming signal. We have two main knobs. We have the offset knob. All the way clockwise fully opens the VCA, and all the way counterclockwise gives it a negative value. Both of these knobs are, by the way, center detented so that they snap nicely in the middle. The lower knob here is an attenuverter. All the way in clockwise, it gives a 2 times effect. All the way in counterclockwise, it gives a negative 2 times effect of the incoming control signal. The reason why this is useful is because you can also open it with 5 volts if you desire. We have also a volume knob on the top. It is a logarithmic knob because it's mostly for audio signals. At around 3 o'clock, it is at unity gain, and above that, it can go even louder. At the bottom here, you have like an LED, which you might have noticed. When the control signal is positive, it's green. When the control signal is negative, it is red. Here on the very bottom, we also have like left and right stereo inputs and left and right outputs. And here is the input jack for the control signal. So let's do some patching with this, and let's hear how it sounds like. Okay, I have created a simple little patch here. We will be feeding Acid Rain Technologies chainsaw into the input of iVCA, and we'll be routing the output into stereo mixer from ST Modular, and we will be driving the iVCA with ADSR from ST Modular. We will be controlling everything with our KeyStep Pro. So let's have a listen to how this sounds like. Pretty nice and clean sound. Let's see how the volume knob behaves. So the attenuation knob. We have the offset. Let's try and give it negative values. Makes it nice and short and cut up. Also try playing around with actual ADSR. Pretty nice. But the main reason why I even designed this VCA is because I needed a VCA that can do ducking or sidechain very easily. So let's change the patch around a little bit and let's have a listen about what we can do with this. Okay, I have done some changes on the patch. Instead of chainsaw, we are now using Margaret Laniakia as our sound source. Let's have a listen to it. Nice and dark drone-like sound. We have also added a Korg Volca kick into our mix. And I will now be using my KeyStep Pro to sequence kick notes instead. So first of all, I will just hit play. Sounds a bit like this. Not exactly what we want. So in order to achieve sidechain, we just need to turn the attenuverter in the other direction and increase the offset. Instant sidechain. Let's add the kicks into the mix. Let's play around a little bit with ADSR. Pretty cool and easy to do. For this final patch, I will be showing how you can do trance gates pretty easily. For this patch, I am now using Pamela's Pro Workout as the source of gates, feeding it into ADSR. So let's have a look how this sounds like. Pretty simple. This is a bit like some sort of a bassline or such. But our goal is to invert this, so let's have a listen. Instant trance gates. Let's play around a little bit with ADSR. And there you go. That's pretty much everything I wanted to show for iVCA. It's a nice little stereo VCA that you can use to do all sorts of gating and sidechaining effects. I, for instance, always use it at the end of my main mix, where I have all the synths coming in, and then I can sidechain them in relation to the kicks. Well, that's everything for this video, and I will see you around for our next one. Bye bye.